Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. Today we will doing practicum about Newton's first, second and third laws. Enjoy.
Apparatus and chemicals. Paper. 4 pieces of paper that have been measured with a length of 5 cm and also 4 pieces of paper with a length of 10 cm. Scissors, ping pong balls, container of glass. First, try setting the application like this, and then pulling the paper at this fast speed. Using paper with a length of 10 cm the same as in the first experiment, namely adjusting the tools like that, then pulling the paper slowly like this. Observe what happens.
Newton's second law. The acceleration of an object will be proportional to the amount of force acting on the object and is inversely proportional to its mass. Assemble the track provided. Put the tray on the track. Connect the end of the rope to the carriage. And the other end of the rope connected to the wake or wakes that have been provided. Then prepare the pulley. The acceleration of motion on the trolley affects the mass of the load that is suspended. The heavier the load mass, the faster the acceleration on the trolley, and vice versa. This means that the acceleration with the load mass is directly proportional.
Newton's third laws of motion. There is the most famously stated as follows: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It means that if two objects interact, the forces they impact on each other will be equal in magnitude but in the opposite direction. When you place an object on a table, the object exerts a force on the table and the subject exerts an upward force on the object. There are two forces that result from this interaction: a force on the table and a force on the object. The magnitude of two forces are the same, but the direction are opposite. These forces are called as action and the reaction. From this practicum, we went to know and approve about the Newton's third laws. The tools that we need are spring scale and a stative. Two pieces of spring scale are linked to each other. Spring scale are connected to the stative. Pull one of spring scale and look at the other spring scale. Based on this practicum, we pull the first spring scale to 5 Newton and the other spring scale it moved to 5 Newton too. It means there are action and reaction force, where the action is from first spring scale and the reaction in the other spring scale with the same magnitude but in the different direction. The more example of Newton's third laws in the animals are: while the frog is swimming, it pushes the water back, and the water pushes its body forward. The wings of bird push the air downwards, and the air pushes the bird upwards. Action and the reaction force make it possible for birds to fly.